My name is Connor Busho, and I am one of the co-owners of Way Cool Plumbing and Air in Phoenix, Arizona. Our Google My Business profile was suspended for about 6 months before I found Reinstate Labs online. I took a shot in the dark and decided to reach out to them and see how they could help. And thankfully, they were able to make our dreams come true and bring back our profile and get us reinstated throughout a process that was pretty dreadful with Google support and the things that we saw online. So thank you to the team at Reinstate. If you're having trouble with your Google business profile, this is the team that can actually help make progress and headway with Google and getting you back and your business back online.